Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you don't know that, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section. So, guys, once again, do not miss out on any updates. Stay updated by clicking on that subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification. So, once I drop an update, instantly you get the updates. Now let's see what we will be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. Let's zoom it out and understand what market is doing. So let's start with the trend. First, our trend on GBPJPY is an uptrend move. So this is it right here on our GBPJPY. We are having a series of higher high and an higher low, higher high and an higher low, multiple higher high and an higher low. Now when you take a look at this on daily time frame, you can see that markets pushed, it gave us an high. Then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up and gave us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market pushed up, gave us a new high, right? And here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up and gave us a new high. You can see it right, which is a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, this will be perfect for swing traders to actually hop in for the buy, as we will be expecting a new higher high, which is, for swing traders and day traders can still go ahead and take the buy, as we would be expecting market to push up again till it eventually take out this previous high. So you can see that on our GBPJPY, the forecast, our buyers and our movement is an uptrend move, a movement to the upside. So we are expecting market to push up and give us form a new high next on GBPJPY. Now let's take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. So this is it here on our 4-hour time frame. This is our high and this is our low. This is also our higher high, and here is our higher low here. So we will be expecting market to push up again. See, it's eventually form a new higher high. So once again, day traders, you can wait for your buy setup around here. Probably the buy setup is most likely going to form in the London section. So if the buy setup does not form, it will be best you do not take that trade, because if it does not form, markets will most likely drop down. But if it forms, go ahead and take the buy, as markets will continue to push up to the upside. With that movement, you most likely going to be grabbing about 150 pips. So there is a 150 pips potential movement only if you get the buy setup. Remember, only if you get the buy setup. So only take your buy once you get the buy setup. Subscribe it so you will not miss out on the next updates.